Exquisite Mediterranean house designs, a harmonious blend of elegance and comfort. A beautiful Mediterranean house is more than just a home. It is an architectural masterpiece that embodies warmth, elegance, and timeless charm. With its sun-drenched facade, earthy tones, and intricate detailing, this style of home creates a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. From grand arched doorways to intricately tiled floors and rustic wooden beams, every detail is crafted to evoke the romantic essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle. A welcoming exterior, earthy tones, and lush greenery. The exterior of a Mediterranean house is a stunning display of traditional craftsmanship and natural beauty. The walls, often finished in stucco or limestone, and warm beige, terracotta, or soft ochre reflect the golden hues of the sun. Elegant wrought iron balconies with intricate scrollwork overlook lush courtyards filled with vibrant bougainvillea, olive trees, and fragrant lavender. Large, arched windows and doorways allow natural light to flood the interiors, while a red clay tile roof completes the classic look. Charming stone pathway lined with terracotta pots of citrus trees leads to the grand entrance. Wooden double doors with ornate metal detailing open into a covered loggia, where a rustic wooden bench and a wrought iron lantern invite relaxation. This transition from outdoor to indoor space is a hallmark of Mediterranean design, celebrating the natural elements that surround the home. Grand living room, timeless and inviting. Stepping inside, the living room is a magnificent blend of comfort and sophistication. Exposed wooden ceiling beams, reminiscent of traditional Mediterranean villas, add warmth and depth to the space. Hand-painted ceramic tiles adorn the floors, featuring intricate geometric patterns of deep blues, warm yellows, and earthy reds. A grand stone fireplace serves as the centerpiece, its carved mantel showcasing ornate details inspired by classic European artistry. The furniture is a mix of plush, oversized sofas in neutral linen fabrics, complemented by hand-woven wool rugs and antique wooden coffee tables. Large French doors framed with flowing sheer curtains open onto a breezy terrace, allowing the scent of fresh herbs and the sound of rustling palm trees to fill the air. A Mediterranean kitchen, a culinary haven. The kitchen is the heart of the home, designed for both beauty and functionality. Rustic wooden cabinetry with brass handles, open shelving filled with colorful pottery, and a large farmhouse-style sink give the space a charming old-world feel. A hand-painted backsplash of blue and white Moroccan tiles adds a striking focal point above the custom-built stove with an arched brick surround. A large island with a thick marble countertop serves as the perfect gathering place for family and friends, complete with high-backed wrought iron bar stools. Hanging above, a set of copper pendant lights add warmth and elegance, while a built-in wine rack filled with fine vintages hints at the home's appreciation for slow, leisurely dining. A tranquil master bedroom, a retreat of serenity. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of tranquility, designed to evoke a Mediterranean coastal retreat. The walls are painted in soft, off-white or sandy beige, creating a soothing ambiance. A four-poster wrought iron bed, draped with flowing white linen, stands against an accent wall of exposed stone, adding texture and charm. Handcrafted wooden nightstands with intricate carvings, topped with ceramic table lamps, enhance the room's warmth and intimacy. A private balcony with a small bistro table overlooks the rolling hills and sparkling sea, inviting peaceful morning coffees and sunset reflections. In the corner, a cozy reading nook with a tufted armchair and a woven throw blanket offers a quiet escape. The ensuite bathroom is an oasis of relaxation, featuring a deep soaking tub set beneath an arched alcove with mosaic tiled walls. A double vanity with marble countertops and gold-trimmed mirrors adds a touch of luxury, while a walk-in rain shower with hand-painted terracotta tiles completes the spa-like experience. A lush outdoor courtyard, the soul of the home. No Mediterranean home is complete without a breathtaking outdoor courtyard, a space that serves as an extension of the home itself. A pergola draped in climbing vines provides a shaded dining area, where a long wooden table with wrought iron chairs is set for al fresco meals under the stars. A stone fireplace with a built-in pizza oven serves as the focal point, filling the air with the inviting aroma of freshly baked bread and roasted herbs. The courtyard is surrounded by tall, aged olive trees and fragrant lavender hedges, creating a private sanctuary of nature. In the center, a tiered stone fountain trickles softly, enhancing the sense of serenity. Plush outdoor loungers with soft cushions are arranged beside a crystal-clear swimming pool, reflecting the bright Mediterranean sky. Conclusion: a home that embraces life's beauty. A fully furnished Mediterranean-style home is more than just a dwelling. It is an experience, a way of life that celebrates beauty, warmth, and connection with nature. Every space, from the rustic kitchen to the serene master suite, is designed to inspire relaxation and joy. With open-air courtyards, sunlit terraces, and timeless architectural details, this home is a true masterpiece of comfort and elegance, inviting its inhabitants to live slowly, richly, and beautifully.